Sad, but I've got to see you lied to me when I was always real. Now I'm left dealing with the cards you deal. Who's the bad guy? Yeah, you know it's you. Blaming me for things I didn't do. You're a deceiver, a devil in the dark, leaving your scars upon my heart. I'm not afraid of you walking away. I knew the truth from the very first day. I pretended not to notice all your lies. Now I finally see through your disguise. You think you're good, but you're just insane. Hell suits you well with all your games. 4 years, 2 months, a complete waste of time. Giving you my life, thinking you were mine. I asked for it back, but you ignored my plea. Thought you could steal the best parts of me. Go to hell, though you're already there. I look up at the sky without a care. I laugh at the terrible things you've done, because I'm finally moving on. I'm not afraid of you walking away. I knew the truth from the very first day. I pretended not to notice all your lies. Now I finally see through your disguise. You think you're good, but you're just insane. Hell suits you well with all